Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we'll be talking about this message that have been popping up on people's Pi network app. If you've gotten a message like this, I think I'll be making this video to explain why this stuff is actually popping up on your Pi network app, because a lot of people are feeling that this message right here that says confirm your migration, it's actually a scam. So a lot of people are scared, because I got a lot of message from people that how can they go about this verification, or is it something that scammers are trying to get access to their wallet. Today we'll be addressing this issue. So the main reason why Pi has to send this message to people for migration is because some users created multiple wallets. I don't know whether it's by mistake or they did it without their knowledge. That's why you need to ask people. If you don't actually know about something, you need to ask people, how can I go about this? So I know of a friend who created a wallet and actually confirmed it. So kind of like his phone was malfunctioning, so he had to delete his app. So when he reinstalled the app, he mistakenly created a new wallet without him noticing. So he never knew that the wallet has been signed to get the first migration. That's when you create a new wallet on the Pi app, there's a place that they will ask you to confirm the wallet. Once you confirm, they'll say sign in token, something like that. That if you sign the token now, that means that's where your first migration will be sent to. Do you understand? Like a particular wallet, that's where they will send your Pi to for the first migration. So he actually made the mistake and created another new wallet. Once you create a new wallet, the other one is gone. So on the day of the migration, he received his Pi that he received the message that Pi has sent the Pi coins to his wallet. Reaching there, he was still seeing 0. So he brought the stuff for me to check, and noticing that he created another wallet, that the first wallet that is sent to was totally different wallet from the one that is currently on the Pi app. It's not what they sent to. The new wallet, the one he signed that he should receive the Pi first migration, has been removed. The new wallet he created was totally different from the one that was on the Pi wallet and the Pi browser. So that means he has lost his Pi coins. So now what I mean, so just go to these 3 lines here at the top, click on mainnet. On the mainnet checklist, click on it to open a page like this. So now you can see on this page, confirm your wallet. You can see the wallet that is actually the wallet address there. It ends at 6E05Z. So now scroll down to this sign acknowledgement to receive complete token. This is what you need to check so that you won't lose your first migration, because this is where a lot of people have made that mistake. So click here, scroll down to the bottom. They said right here that the wallet address used to signed. So you can see this wallet address now currently is 6E055Z at the end. So go there and check if this wallet here is not the same thing on that sign in page. If you check here, it's not the same with the one on this sign acknowledgement to receive complete token. That is why the message this confirm your migration message is popping up. Maybe you've created 2 wallets. If you come here and you're seeing a different wallet address, and this one is totally different from this, know that the one that is here, that's what you'll be receiving. But what is currently logged in on your Pi wallet, this is the current one, and you won't have access to this, especially when you don't have the security phrase anymore. Pi Network had to come up with this idea that they are going to, make this confirmation of migration stuff, like confirmation of wallet for migration, so that if you mistakenly create like multiple wallets, you'll be able to verify the particular wallet to receive the Pi coins. So that's the main reason why this confirmation for migration is actually popping up on your app. So when you see this message popping up on your app, don't be scared. It's not scammers. It's for your own good. So I will advise you to do that stuff, like confirm your wallet, which I'm going to also show you in this video. I'll be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can actually confirm your wallet for migration so that you won't make a mistake. So if you know that this message have popped up on your app before, and you did not do your confirmation of wallet and you're not seeing the message anymore, follow these steps. Then for those that that the message is still popping up on your device, just hold on. I'm going to start from people that received the message before but they did not do the confirmation of for migration. I'll show them what to do so that the message will pop up again. I'll guide them how they will do it. So the first thing you need to do, go over to your Pi app, scroll down and open your Pi app. Once the Pi app opens like this, click on the 3 lines at the top, then click on profile. Look down, you see sign out. Click on it. Click on sign out again. Your account will be signed out. Then all you need to do is log in back your account. Click on phone number. Then I'll be selecting my country. Now put your phone number right there. Then click submit. Then you can now put your password. Click on submit once you're done. So once your account opens like this, click on that button to start mining again. Click on mine. You see that once the thing opens this page, this confirm your migration message will pop up again. So the essence of using this style is Pi always waits for another mining section so that before the message pops up. So we are using like a trick or a hack that we can actually do to get the message back quickly, for us not to wait for extra 24 hours for another mining section. So this is just like the fastest way to just do it to get back the message. So now click on confirm wallet. All you need to do, go and copy your 24 passphrase and paste it right there and click on unlock with passphrase. Something like this will pop up and say that email confirmation sent. So all you need to do, go to your Gmail account and go and check if you have received any link in the email you linked to your Pi account. Go there, refresh your Gmail. You will now receive a mail like this. Click on it. This is your confirm your migration wallet. Then you see this verify your migration wallet. Click on that blue text. Click on it. It will now redirect you to Chrome browser. Then you see a message like, please open this email on your mobile device and select the link to continue. Then click on the Pi app. Then it will now show you that verification successful. You have successfully verified your wallet. Your Pi rewards will be migrated to this address. That means you've now confirmed that this wallet is the one that will be receiving the Pi coins. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell for more updates. And do well to like this video, share and comment. Please share for your friends so that they will confirm their wallet. Thank you. See you guys in my next video.